FOLD. Keep an eye on this one because I talked about what? I talked about consolidation. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Welcome to the Trading Success Show, guys. This is your boy Francis. Wherever you are, you're welcome to this show. Well, what I have here today, what I have going on today is going to be stocks that are close to the 52 weeks highs. Okay, stocks that are really up there. That is what we're going to be dealing with today. The reason is because most times you have people or traders out there, hedge funds out there, preaching about being in the trend, right? So you just don't want to see your stock actually out of the trend. So you want to be able to identify criterias, identify setup that may arise as a result of price actions and stuff like that, looking at the candlestick, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through this really fast. And what I have going on here, my search criteria on Finviz. We're going to be using the website called Finviz. It's a very good platform for you to actually use in terms of finding plays for the next day, for the next week, for the next month, and what have you. So with that being said, guys, I'm looking for price that is above $5. Anything over $5 is fantastic. I'm looking for stock that is US stocks, and I'm looking for just stocks only. Okay, and then I want to look at the change. The change, you see, up or down. I want something that is up. Also with a relative volume, I want over 1. Okay, also with a current volume of over 500, because I want to see that there is also activities going on within that particular stock, right? Also, I want to see the average volume within a certain period to be over 5k. And also to cap this up, I'm looking for 52 weeks highs or 52 weeks low scanner. What I'm looking for something that is at least 5% or more below the highs. Okay, so right now I'm not looking for the top high. I'm looking for something that is close to the high, so that at least I can get in the momentum to push it towards the highs, right? That is what you want to look for. That is what I like to look for in terms of going for swing trade on all these big names, this big boy stock. Okay, AMD was also one as well that was at the highs, and all of a sudden it just started pushing higher. If you have not seen AMD, let me open that real quick so that you can see AMD, what AMD is currently doing. This is what AMD is doing right now. See how we got close to the 52 weeks high right here, and guess what? Boom! We just broke out of this area. Okay, look at the 52 weeks high was right around the 90 something, let's say what, 97.25, 99.23, and all of a sudden, guess what? We just broke right through it with news and stuff, of course, right? But however, you have to be looking for stocks that are around this area for the breakout. Either the breakout or the breakdown, whichever the case may be, you have to get in these stocks at the technical point. Okay, so with all these search criteria involved, like this right now, we are about to break the trend, but it's still on the down low. This will not be in my list of stocks to keep an eye on. It will be on the list, but however, I won't be buying this because we're still down low, right? It's a semiconductor. Next one is going to be DROVN. This one is also a good one to really pay attention to with a low float. Guess what happened? We are actually at this trend and we're not really far away from the 52, right? So with that being said, guys, we only got pretty much 5 points, 4 points to get to that highs, then break it. Just need volume. Look at how volume right now is showing up on the chart. So keep an eye on this one. Next one is going to be EA right now. Guess what happened? We are breaking this trend, right? This trend right here, we are breaking this right now. And guess what? If we can hold this area of which we're doing right now, which is our 200 moving average, I think we'll continue to bounce up, reclaim this trend, and then continue pushing higher. EA, this is electronic arts, so I'm thinking and I believe that this will continue pushing higher and higher and higher. So keep an eye on this one. This is more like for a long-term trade. Etsy, ETSY, keep an eye on this one as we are actually breaking out of this level right now. Right now you got this trend, so this trend is your level to watch. We just broke out of the 20 moving average right now, and we actually did push into this trend resistance, so expect price to continue pushing higher. This is for a long-term hold, guys. Okay, ATEC, keep an eye on this one as we're breaking this trend as well. This is also a good one because if we can clear this $17 spot, I think we'll continue to push higher and make new highs. CDA, oh boy, well, this one is also breaking out of this trend right now. Okay, we are clearing this area, so if we can clear this area of 101, I think we'll be able to push towards 107 or even make a new highs, right? Keep an eye on that one. CWH, also keep an eye on this one as we are breaking this trend. If you cannot see this trend, this is the trend right now. We are breaking out of this trend, and I'm expecting price to push into the $50 spot. Next one is FLGT. Keep an eye on this one. We are breaking this long consolidation zone. We just consolidated off this area. Remember what I said about the longer or larger the consolidation zone or range, the bigger the move. So right now I'm expecting price to get into this 120, and then 120 would then push all the way highs. Okay, so keep an eye on this one. I do like this one. Right now we are extended. Wait for just a little pullback, then get in, though volume is coming in strong. FNF is a Fidelity National Financial, right? So keep an eye on this one as we're about to break through this 50 moving average, which is our $45 spot, right? So expect this to continue pushing higher into the $48 spot. FOLD, keep an eye on this one because I talked about what? I talked about consolidation range. Look at how we're consolidating over this range. So right now this is a massive consolidation. The bigger the consolidation range, the bigger the move. So I'm expecting this to continue pushing higher and then clear this area into this $14. If you cannot see what consolidation look at, let's look at CAV real quick. See CAV, okay? CAV actually consolidated for quite a while and push a little bit again, and guess what? This is a momentum push. That is what I was talking about on the other one we actually looked at. IEA, keep an eye on this one. We're also consolidating, okay, and I'm expecting this to continue pushing higher, though it's not within our criteria of 52 weeks, 5% or below the 52 weeks, but we'll still get this is also in a clear zone. This one, IHROT, keep an eye on this one as right now we are forming this consolidation pattern to break above this 26. We break this 26, I think we'll be able to push through $28 and $30 easily. IIVI, keep an eye on this one as we're about to break this trend and then push through all this moving average. For now we are stuck. ILMN, keep an eye on this one. This one also met the criteria, right? So right now we are about to test this level, which is 508. 508 is your area. We break 508, I think we'll be able to test 550, 560 easily on ILMN. KTB, keep an eye on this one right now, guys. This $59.96, which is $60 break, Damn, we're gonna be getting into the $70 on this one. Keep an eye on this one. MCHP, keep an eye on this one. As we break through and push into the 160, I think we'll continue to make a new highs on this one. Guess what happened? Market actually pushed down to 200, bounced right off, failed this, and then guess what? We held this support area, and then boom, we bounced right off into this trend resistance. This is a downtrend resistance. If we can push right through this downtrend resistance, I think 160 is in the cards. MU, okay, Micron Technology. This one, keep an eye on this one. I have this also in my stock, long-term stock portfolio. I'm adding. I think I have an average of 75. I will continue to add on this name as we push higher. Right now, I think I see $85. After 85, I think we'll push towards this $90 and then $95, make a new high as we continue to push, just like what? Nvidia. Guys, these are the stocks, and these are pretty much the scanners. This is my criteria of looking for stocks that are really close to the 52 weeks high, that are ready to break out. As we continue to push higher in the stock market, we continue to look for names, continue to look for stocks that are really in the clear zone. Now take a look at NVAX as well. NVAX right now, we cleared this area, these $230. I think we'll get to 250 and even test the 350, you know. So guys, that is it for today. Have you guys a fantastic evening, and I hope you all enjoyed this session. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click on that like button. Have you a fantastic one. Peace and love. Bye bye.